Kia ora, I'm Clint, and today I'm going to take you into my local New World. I've got a grocery shop to do, armed with my list. What I'm going to do is show you how some of the different deals work so you can save some money on your groceries each week as well. Let's go and have a look. So fruit and veg is a must for us at the moment, especially with the amount of baby food we're pumping out every day. What you can do is you can look out for stuff that's on the everyday value range, which means you're going to get great prices week after week. Like these are great, and you can freeze them. You're going to become chippies. Paper bags too, eco. Super savers are the things that are on sale right now and just for the week. So they're all around the store, you just have to look out for the Super Saver tickets. How much butter am I getting? Just 2 will do. Canned tuna is a must for work lunches for me. These ones here, these are on a club deal, which means as a New World Club card member, I get special discounts, because I'm special. Team Crunchy, all day. We're eating a lot less meat at the moment too, which means heaps of veggie curries, which means you need to have a good supply of coconut cream in the pantry all the time, and this stuff lasts, so you can stock up. Peanut butter's got to have something to go on, so does everything else, to be fair. Nappies weren't even on the list this week, but when you see a club deal, you got to go for it. My nan told me that a real house always has tea in the cupboards. And that's why we always have tea in the cupboards, and club deal, perfect. Oh, the chocolates are Super Saver too. Most of this is for my wife anyway, so. And don't forget, swipe your club card. That's how you get all the club deals. And that's my weekly shop at New World. Hopefully, there's some tips in there to help you save some money as well.